Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the amazing Grass Kidz Superfood, organic vegan superfood nutrition shake for kids, greens, fruits, veggies with pre and probiotics. Outrageous chocolate, 30 servings. Scooping can get a little messy since there is always some that get inhaled or land on the counter. More nutrients than eating fruits and veggies. Great break from drinking water all the time. It is made up of very finely ground foods like peas and wheatgrass, so no matter what you do there is going to be a grainy texture. As the directions mention, it is easiest to mix it with milk if you add a little water and mix the powder into the water before adding the milk. Okay, for the people who complain about the flavor, it is never going to taste like Hershey's sugary chocolate. My girl loves it, but she has never had the sugary kind. My older son didn't comment on the flavor, but my younger son noticed it and declared it yucky but proceeded to finish his smoothie. But if kids don't know the difference, they should take to this pretty well. The key is to dissolve in water first, then add the milk. This has been a hit with my daughter, who loves to have this kind of stuff, but for me, well, let us take a look. This powder does have pea protein in it, so with peas tend to give you gas. Well, you might want to slowly test this out with your system. For an Asperger's child on a ketogenic diet who has food texture issues, 1 scoop of this in raw homemade yogurt is a meal. It tastes like vitamins to me, but they know it is good for them, so they mix it with some water and lemonade, put it in the fridge, and have a healthy cold drink. Ordering more now. The lesson here is that it is not for everyone. It doesn't help that the mixture, be it chocolate or strawberry, looks rather greenish, which makes it harder to get the kiddos to drink it. Mind you, it doesn't leave unmixed globs and floaters the way some protein drinks do. The problem is that the mix, unless drunk, quickly congeals into a sludge at the bottom of a cup. Oh, is obsessed with this stuff. It helps pull my mommy brain from consistent trying to find ways to sneak veggies into everything. Love it. It is a good substitute for fresh fruit and veggie that my son doesn't like, but he loved to drink this. Either way, in a world where it gets increasingly difficult to get all the nutrients into kids, this seems to be a helpful adjunct to a parent's efforts. It is difficult to make sure that a child is getting all of the necessary nutrients they need in their diet. He loves chocolate milk, so the chocolate flavor, although it does not totally mask the green smell or flavor, does the job. My kids don't eat as many veggies as they need to, so this is a great way to help achieve that. The taste makes it hard for my toddler to eat, but if you can mix it into something flavorful, not milk or eater, then it is easier to get down. My daughter loves this stuff. It is a great way to get a lot of nutrition into a morning smoothie for her without all the sugar of some products. They totally approve of the taste. This doesn't have the saccharine aftertaste that most protein powders have, but it has good natural flavor. Only thing is, it doesn't stay mixed well in a cup of your child doesn't drink it fast enough. The one weird thing about it is that sometimes there is a thin green color on top of the milk, but it mostly disappears when you stir it again. If it is not sweet enough for your child, add a little of Pediasure or throw it in a smoothie with fruit. It would not be beneficial if you heat it up, say in a cookie or brownie, so that is not an option, and those are not healthy. So this product is a lifesaver. Quality ingredients and a yummy taste make it easy to make smoothies the whole family loves. Love the regular superfood, but the kids taste so good you can even mix it into a glass of milk or applesauce. My pediatrician sent me on an online hunt for immune boosters for my son's diet when he contracted mono at age 6, specifically for this product among a few others. If you mix it with a little water first, get it smooth, then add, say, almond milk, and it mixes better this way. My son looks and feels better since he has been taking this every day, and it goes down like a treat when you make it into a frozen sweet delight. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.